Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'm actually going to be doing some drywall repair on the ceiling here above me, right up there. If you look right there, you can see that little hole. That is what we're going to fix today. So in my last video, which I'll put a link up here, I replaced one of these old lights with a recessed light, which went perfectly. But as I was cutting the hole for the new recessed light, I actually cut the hole slightly too big. Let me show you what I'm going to be doing here to actually fix that. Alright, so this is the stuff that I'm using. I bought some, this is basically just some all-purpose compound, a lightweight all-purpose compound in a small tub. You can buy these things in like 2.5 gallon tubs for like less than $20. I think I paid like $7 for this because I don't need a whole lot of it. I'm also going to use this mesh tape, and I've got a 3-inch knife and this tray as well. I was downstairs doing some drywall repair for some nail pops, so this has a little bit of leftover stuff left on it. But we're going to jump into it now. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is actually remove this recessed light, and then I'll cut the tape to make it fit around there, and we'll start mudding. It's going to take a couple of layers to make this thing work the way that I want it to. So let's get started. So I'm just going to cut a small piece of this and actually put it up here on the wall, or put it up here on the ceiling. And I'm just going to trim around the edge of the area that I don't need anymore. Alright, so the next thing is I just put a little bit of compound onto here, and I'm actually going to go up there. You just need a very small amount because it's just going to be really thin. You're actually going to build up a few layers of this and then sand it down at the end, so you only just need a little bit of it. You can see that the tape is right over the part where I've got the repair going to be, and then I'm going to mud directly over top of all of this and build up a few layers right here to make sure that it's nice and strong. And then that's basically it. Then I'll sand it all down, and then I'll be able to finish painting everything. Alright, that's it. That's the first layer. We're going to let that dry. We'll probably do this 2 or 3 more times. Alright, so you can see the repair is done now. Now I'm just going to let this dry overnight. I'll come back and sand it, and then basically the repair will be completed, and then I'll be able to go ahead and paint everything. I've already started cutting in around everywhere, and then I'll be able to get this whole area painted, and I'll film it and show you at the very end what it looks like. There you have it, all finished. All the way around, everything is actually repaired. Drywall looks good now, ceiling is painted, all done.